Welcome to our channel. Today we how to share Amazon Prime benefits, household setup guide step by step clearly. Log into your Amazon account. Hover over the Accounts and Lists tab. Select your account from the drop-down menu. Scroll down to the Amazon Family section. Click on Share Your Prime. You'll be directed to a page explaining household sharing. Select Get Started to proceed. Enter the email address of the person you want to add. This person must be an adult, over 18 years old. Click on Send Invitation. The invited person will receive an email. They need to accept the invitation to join your household. Once they accept, log back into your account. Navigate to the Your Account section again. Select Manage Your Household. Here, you will see the added member. You can now manage their access to Prime benefits. Remember, both adults can share Prime benefits. Next, you can add up to 4 children to your household. Children can enjoy Prime benefits like video streaming and free shipping. For kids, click on Add a Child and follow the prompts. Make sure to input their names and birth dates. Confirm the additions to finalize the setup. Review the shared benefits, which include Prime Video, Prime Music, and more. You can also use Family Library to share content. This enables access to books, apps, and games across devices. Make sure everyone in your household is aware of shared permissions. Enjoy the convenience of shared Amazon Prime benefits with your household. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.